Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we now need to remove the canvas from its wooden frame. I've tried to pull some of them up and that's not working too well, so I got my X-Acto knife and we're going to try it that way. Okay, so once you get it out, you're going to have just a wooden frame. First, I'm going to paint it with some white chalk paint. The paint that I'm using is some handmade chalk paint, and if you're interested in seeing how to do this, just check the video linked in the corner. I'm going to paint the inside of the frame first, just makes it a little bit easier for me. Okay, now we're going to let this dry. And what I'm using is the Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. It's a really dark gray color and I love it. This paint I probably bought 2 years ago and it's been sitting in my storage closet or in my craft closet. It was a little bit runny when I started and it was clumped together, but I broke up the clumps and shook it for quite a while and it's going on pretty nicely. Okay, we'll now let that dry. So while our frame dries, what we're going to do is we're going to cut out our canvas where it naturally folded. Once you cut it out, your canvas should fit right back on the back. Now you are going to want to hot glue the canvas to the back of the frame. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is put our decals, which I just went to Cricut Design Space and created these. If you'd like to purchase them, check the link in the description. There's our new bathroom sign.